Kashi Vishwanath Temple is one of the most popular temples of Lord Shiva. Standing on the western banks of Holy Ganga, this serene temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas and is located amidst the crowded lanes in the holy city of Varanasi. It is believed that Varanasi is the place where the first Jyotirlinga manifested itself. The etymology of the name Vishweshwara is Vishwa, universe, Ishvara, Lord, one who has dominion. As per the Shiva Purana, once Brahma and Vishnu had an argument about who was supreme. To test them, Lord Shiva bids that three worlds as a huge, endless pillar of light. The Jyotirlinga. To determine who was mightier, Vishnu took a form of a boar and sought out the bottom, while Brahma took the form of a swan to fly to the pillar's top. Brahma, out of arrogance, lied that he had found that the end, offering a Kataki flower as witness. Vishnu modestly confessed to being unable to find the bottom. Shiva then took the form of the wrathful Bhairava, cut off Brahma's lying fifth head and cursed Brahma that he would not be worshipped. Vishnu, for his honesty, would be worshipped as equal to Shiva with his own temples for all eternity. This was that fairy pillar of light which broke from the earth's crust and flared right to the heaven. It was through this light that Lord Shiva proclaimed his supremacy over all other gods. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple, also known as the Sri Vishweshwara Temple, is said to be dear to Lord Shiva. Many Hindus believe that this is the temple where one can achieve salvation. It is here that Lord Shiva gives the Tarak mantra to the one who are about to die. Pray to Kashi Vishweshwara and all your desires are sure to be fulfilled. A visit to the temple and a bath in the river Ganges is one of the many methods believed to lead one on a path to moksha. Thus, Hindus from all over the world try to visit the place at least once in their lifetime. Many legends record that the true devotee achieves freedom from the death and samsara by the worship of Shiva. Shiva's devotees on death being directly taken to his Mount Kailash by his message and not to Yama. There is a popular belief that Shiva himself blows the mantra of salvation into the ears of people who die naturally at the Varanasi. The lane that reaches up to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple is called Vishwanatha Lane. Visit the temple and you are sure to be enthralled, for his temples is indeed an architectural masterpiece. In this temple, 15.5 meter gold plating chhatra, which gives it another popular name, which is the Golden Temple. Inside the temple, towards the north side, there is a well called the Jnanavapi or the Wisdom Well. The sanctum of the temple holds the linga that is set in the center of the floor in a square silver altar. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple has been rebuilt several times. It is believed that the original temple was built in 1490. This vintage temple was destroyed during a Mughal invasion and King Aurangzeb built a mosque in place of it. Till today, the Kashi Vishwanath Temple and the Jnanavapi Mosque stands adjacent to one another. It is said that when Aurangzeb decided to destroy the temple, the idol of Lord Shiva was hidden in the Jnanavapi in order to protect it from getting destroyed. The well still stands between the temple of the mosque. The latest structure that is standing tall today dates back to the 18th century. It is said that Lord Shiva came in the dream of Rani Ahalyabai Holkar of Indore and she built this current temple in 1777. During 1833 to 1840, the boundary of Gnanapivel, the Ghats and another nearby temples were constructed. In 1835, Maharaja Ranjit Singh of Sikh Empire donated 1 ton of gold for plating the temple's dome. The temple was managed by a hereditary group of Pandits or Mahants. Kashi Vishwanath Corridor project was conceived in 2019 and foundation stone was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hindus all over the world do visit the Lord Shiva's dearest place, Varanasi. The Jyotirlinga shrines thus are places where Shiva appears as a fiery column of light. There are 64 forms of Shiva at all their sites. The primary image is Lingam, representing the beginningless and endless Stamba pillar, symbolizing the infinite nature of Shiva. The 12 Jyotirlingas are Somanath in Gujarat, Mallikarjuna in Sri Shailam, Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain, Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh, Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, Bhimashankar in Maharashtra, Vishwanath in Varanasi, Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra, Nageshwar in Dwaraka, Rameshwar in Rameshwaram, Grishneshwar in Aurangabad.
So this is the importance of Kashi Vishwanath temple. Hope you all enjoyed. And everyone do visit Kashi Vishweshwara temple once in your lifetime. Thank you.